Hello! Today, I'll show you how to easily remove and change old, ugly, and face-smudging earpad cushions on Philips SHB7000 wireless headphones. To complete this task, you'll need to buy replacement earpads. You can find a link to them in the video description. Start by removing the old earpads from the headphone housing. Then, unlock all 4 plastic clips and take off the earpad locking ring. You can also clean off any dirt at this stage. Repeat the same steps for the other earpad. These headphones are honestly quite dirty. Next, begin attaching the new replacement earpad onto the headphone. Try to position pad evenly on all sides, then place the locking ring on top. It's important to align it in a way that it presses down and secures the entire edge of the earpad. If any side isn't properly tucked in, the earpad might slip off the headphones. Once you've tucked the edges under the retaining ring all the way around, press ring down in several places to lock it in. Repeat the process with the second earpad. With a little patience, these old but great headphones will feel like new again. Old earpads not only look bad, but they also affect sound quality. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you.